Forget expensive eye drops or blue light glasses. They can't fix the real problem. There's something far more powerful quietly sitting on your dinner plate. 3 yellow vegetables that can help your eyes repair themselves from the inside out while you sleep. If you've noticed your eyes feeling dry, blurry, or overly sensitive to light at sunset, or if you find yourself reaching for brighter lamps or squinting just to read a label or watch TV subtitles, you're not imagining it. As we age, our eyes begin to starve for nutrients they once stored effortlessly. By the time most seniors notice, they're struggling with halos around lights, dull colors, and difficulty driving at night. And it often worsens month after month. The problem? Most people treat the symptoms, not the root. They rely on drops, stronger glasses, or do nothing at all. Here's the truth. Your eyes don't just wear out, they get drained. Drained by age, inflammation, and oxidative stress. And unless you feed them the right pigments, lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene, they can't recover overnight like they used to. That's why today I'll show you 3 yellow vegetables clinically shown to nourish your retina, macula, and lens tissues while you sleep. These aren't exotic or expensive. They may already be in your fridge. But the key is eating them the right way at the right time. The last one is a gentle powerhouse, reducing oxidative stress and helping your eyes regain clarity at night. Stay with me. By the end, you'll have a simple plan to rebuild your vision, moisture, and light protection naturally. And if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another natural eye health solution. First yellow vegetable, corn, your night shield. Let's start with something humble, sweet golden corn. Most people see corn as just a side dish, but to your eyes, it's a night shield. Its yellow glow comes from lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids your retina craves as you age. Your retina, especially the macula, works like a camera film, capturing light, detail, and motion. But over time, blue light, oxidative stress, and inflammation wear it down, causing dull central vision and poor night clarity. Here's the catch. Your body can't make lutein or zeaxanthin. You must get them from food. And corn is one of the richest, most absorbable sources, especially when steamed or lightly cooked with a little healthy fat like olive oil. Why does fat matter? These pigments are fat-soluble. They get stored in the macular pigment, blocking up to 90% of harmful blue light before it damages your retinal cells. Studies confirm that higher lutein and zeaxanthin intake improves visual performance, macular pigment density, and contrast sensitivity, crucial for night vision in older adults. A retired school bus driver shared her experience. After 6 weeks of adding corn to her evening meals, she said, "It's like someone wiped the fog off my glasses." Simple, yet life-changing. How to eat it? Choose fresh or frozen yellow corn. Avoid overly processed varieties. Steam gently and add a teaspoon of olive oil for absorption. Eat with dinner a few hours before bedtime. Consistency matters more than quantity. Your eyes respond to patterns of nourishment, not miracles. Corn is your first ally. Next, we'll talk about a yellow vegetable that restores your eye structures and fights dryness. Second yellow vegetable, yellow bell pepper, your energy boost. If corn is a shield, yellow bell pepper is the fuel and repair. Few people realize how powerful this bright, crunchy vegetable is for dry, tired, or glare-sensitive eyes. What sets it apart? High lutein and zeaxanthin, plus vitamin C, which corn lacks in large amounts. Lutein and zeaxanthin act as internal sunglasses, filtering harmful light. Vitamin C repairs and protects the cornea and lens, keeping them strong and clear. As we age, these parts cloud, weaken, and lose focus, causing blur and eye strain even after sleep. Vitamin C is also critical for collagen production, which keeps eye surfaces smooth and hydrated. Research backs it up. A study of over 1,000 female twins found higher vitamin C intake reduced cataract progression by 33% over 10 years. Yellow bell peppers contain 5 times more lutein than carrots and are more bioavailable thanks to their low fiber and high water content. Think of yellow bell pepper as a multitasker. It hydrates, protects, and restores clarity. Real-life example, George, 71, used to squint at his newspaper every morning. After a month of adding half a raw yellow bell pepper to lunch daily, he said, the fuzziness faded, words looked sharper, and eye fatigue was gone by mid-afternoon. How to eat it? Slice half a fresh yellow bell pepper raw. Pair it with a healthy fat like avocado or boiled egg for better absorption. Avoid cooking too long. Heat reduces antioxidants. Third yellow vegetable, yellow squash, the gentle powerhouse. The final vegetable is yellow squash, soft, gentle, and ideal for seniors with inflamed or tired eyes. Unlike corn or bell pepper, squash doesn't have extreme levels of one nutrient. Instead, it delivers a balanced combination. Beta-carotene, precursor to vitamin A for low light vision. Lutein supports the macula. Manganese and vitamin C, antioxidant support and collagen production. Beta-carotene helps produce rhodopsin, a pigment crucial for night vision. Seniors often say, I see fine during the day, but everything turns cloudy at night. Squash addresses this directly. A 72-year-old patient, Martha, complained of nightly eye aches. After adding steamed yellow squash to dinner 3 times a week, she said, it's like my eyes don't feel tired anymore. How to eat it? Slice and steam until just tender. Add a small portion of olive oil or mashed avocado to boost carotenoid absorption. Eat 2 to 3 hours before bed. Avoid overcooking. Combining the 3 vegetables. Now, how do you create a simple routine without measuring every nutrient? 2 nights a week, corn, steamed, lightly seasoned with olive oil. 2 nights a week, yellow bell pepper, raw, paired with healthy fat. 3 nights a week, small bowl of steamed yellow squash. Consistency is key. Eyes respond to patterns of nourishment, not miracles. One viewer, Roger, 68, shared that after 3 weeks he no longer squinted at his phone before bed. I didn't realize how dry my eyes were until they weren't anymore. Batch cook corn and squash, keep sliced bell pepper in the fridge, and swap heavy sides for these yellow veggies. Drink a glass of water before bed to help circulate nutrients. Not all healing comes from pills or surgery. Sometimes the quietest foods give the loudest results. Your eyes still want to see clearly. With corn, bell pepper, and yellow squash, you can rebuild clarity, calm dryness, and protect vision naturally. These aren't luxuries. They're the joy of reading without squinting, watching your grandchildren, and seeing a sunset in full color. It takes effort, but every small change proves you haven't given up on yourself. If this video gave you clarity, hope, or control, please like, share, and comment. Your experience could help another senior today. And if this is your first time here, subscribe for more natural eye health solutions. Until next time, take care of your eyes. They still have so much left to see.